been a kind of a mild day today. It's +4 degrees, warming up, so things are melting. It'll soon freeze tonight, but I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you exactly what I was saying about water, because this is very slowly coming down the roof, but it's not evaporating, so it's cold. So you can see water's coming from the guttering, coming down here, and look at it, it's exactly what I was saying. Gravity pulls it down here, behind the seal, behind here. The other water is coming down the front, down here, and then it hits this corner, and then zips down here, because look, this is absolutely dry as a bone. So all the water from the roof has got nowhere to go but down here. You see what I mean? Look, see in there? I don't think this door's open. Oh, it is. Let's have a look. Fortunately, this is just starting to leak here. But you can see the crease in the seal here. The water is coming down here somewhere from the back. It's not that bad, but it's leaky. But there again, you see, that's why you should seal this corner up with dum-dum. See, this door seal's worse than bloody useless, really. But I wonder why that's like that. Anyway, but let's have a look at the other side. This side tells a different story, because again, look at all the dirt and debris that's built up here, because the car's slightly at an angle. And is it getting away? Just to say, but there's water coming again. You can see where it's been coming down here, and straight away it goes into this seal, into the door seal. So you can't really get away from it. You can see water here. It's trying to make its way down here. It's not going down the front, it won't. And you see that gap under there, well, it's worse than useless. You're not going to get anything in there. So that's a great idea, that's a great example, should I say, of water, why it gets in just through this front corner and then it drips on your carpets. Let's have a look inside. See, my carpets are all wet, but that's not from there. That's from somewhere else, probably from my feet. But again, it's not wet round here, so that's a good thing. The seal is doing its job. But once that seal is compromised, it'll come in down here and fill up down here. The bottoms of the doors are good. Not a really big problem, but I'm sure it's off my feet when I've been driving. So there you go. If you like that, click like and subscribe, and share this with your friends. They might start to understand why Land Rovers leak. Talk to you later.